Put it in the garbage can.
And then when they rip off, you'll see the visual. The bottom slash chicken.
It was like it was sitting like this high off the ground, and it just fell through because I hadn't sealed it together, and then it just like a little tiny crack.
Yeah, so it's kind of a classic egg drop physics thing that a lot of people have probably done in high school, but it's with our new curriculum. We've been doing Newton's laws, and we've been doing momentum and acceleration, that kind of stuff. So they're just using those lessons. We were talking about football helmets, we've been talking about impulse and that sort of thing, and trying to pull it all together with this one egg drop. Tape on that egg? No, it's for the other side, okay. Okay. Going to be part of the program?
I think so. We just need to. We're going to try and break the fall a little. Yeah, we're going to check if they'll stick. Yeah, like right here so that they like break off and they break the fall a little bit.
Okay.
We'll match it. The egg drops and it like...
Where's our overalls?
Flowers.
That's flowers and overalls.
I was like thinking like a confined, like a smaller space, so then we can have more room for cushioning.
I think it's good.
I just did a lot of padding, and then I also tried to get padding underneath. I tried to get it as sturdy as possible without like using tape.
I think we're 5 for 8 have survived out of the ones we've done so far. There wasn't so much what to expect in terms of how many of each, but like the ones that I thought would be good broke or vice versa, so it's kind of a tricky thing. But there seems to be some design characteristics that are coming back around each time they're successful. They're more packed than I thought they would be. A lot of times they have a lot of stuff packed together, but they've got soft stuff right all around. It's like landing on pillows, kind of marshmallows and cotton balls and that kind of stuff. It kind of seems like it's working, so we'll have some good conversations about it. Hopefully it's just a practical thing that they can tie back to, and we talk about airbags or car crashes or stuff like that, and they're getting some good practical experience with that stuff. So, and it's a fun thing. Yeah, they're digging it. It's fun.